Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create animation on PicsArt and CapCut Mobile. Here are the step-by-step guide. Number 1. The part 1 is to create an animated elements in PicsArt. All you need to do is to open the PicsArt app. You can download or open the PicsArt app on your phone and then tap at the plus button and choose a blank background or photo to create a new project. And to add elements, to animate, just tap the stickers, text, or draw to add your design. And you can also use cut out or remove backgrounds for an image and export with transparent background, save as a PNG, and then this is useful for layering in CapCut. And part 2, animate in CapCut. All you need to do is to open a CapCut app and tap the new project. Import your background base or the base video. Then tap the overlay. Import the image you created in PicsArt and add a PicsArt image. Here you can animate the keyframes. You can select the image layer and tap the diamond keyframe button to set animation points, move the image position, size, and rotation over time, and add a multiple keyframes. And use the preset animations. This is optional. You can also add effects. And export your animated video. Tap export and save to device. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.